You can fix every PEP8 style error in your entire Python project with a single command, no manual editing, no plugins, and it's built into flake8. This comment identifies the file as auto_fix_pep8.py, suggesting its intended purpose is to automatically correct PEP8 style violations in Python code. Imports the system-specific parameters and functions module, enabling interaction with the Python interpreter, including exiting the program with a specific status code. Defines a function named bad_function that contains two statements without proper separation by new lines or semicolons, which violates Python syntax rules. It attempts to print hello world and return true on the same line, making this code syntactically invalid as written. Declares a class named my_class with no explicit base classes, following PEP8 style conventions poorly by using lowercase naming instead of camel case. Defines the constructor method for my_class that sets the instance variable x to 0 in a compact, non-compliant style lacking proper indentation and statement separation. Declares main without parameters that chains three statements into one line with no separators, calling bad_function assigning its result to x, then conditionally printing x if it evaluates truthy, which creates invalid Python syntax due to missing new lines between statements. Establishes the standard Python idiom for script entry control, ensuring that subsequent lines execute only when the file is run directly rather than imported as a module. Prints fixing to standard output indicating the program has begun its operation, using tab indentation which may conflict with PEP8 recommendations for 4 spaces per indent level. Terminates the program immediately with exit code 1 using sys.exit indicating abnormal or error termination as opposed to 0, which signifies successful completion. Just run flake8 fix on your project folder to autocorrect PEP8 issues instantly. Subscribe for daily coding videos that save you hours.